The Supreme Court passed several important judgments in 2022. Here's a look at 5 important judgments of the year. 10% reservation for economically weaker sections. The Supreme Court Constitution Bench upheld the validity of 103rd Constitution Amendment by 3:2 majority. This introduces 10% reservation for economically weaker sections in education and public employment. The court also said that reservation on economic basis does not violate the basic structure of Constitution. Entitlement to seek an abortion within 20 to 24 weeks. The Supreme Court ruled that all women, whether married or in consensual relationships, are entitled to seek an abortion within 20 to 24 weeks of pregnancy. This also includes persons other than cisgender women. Supreme Court also recognized marital rape in this case, criminalizing marital rape. Ban on two-finger test. The Supreme Court banned two-finger test in rape cases. It also said that persons conducting such tests will be held guilty. The bench observed that the test re-victimizes and re-traumatizes women. The bench directed the Union Ministry to ensure that no such tests are conducted on survivors of sexual assault. Supreme Court puts sedition law on hold. The Supreme Court has put the 152-year-old sedition law on hold until the Union government re-examines it. It also directed the state and central governments not to register any fresh FIRs invoking offence. The Supreme Court temporarily suspended pending criminal trials and court proceedings under Section 124A. Women's right to parents' property. The Supreme Court ruled that daughters are entitled to self-acquired and other properties of a male Hindu who dies without leaving a will. Male members of the family have often laid claim to the property of a man who dies intestate. The court then ruled that the property would then be given to daughters. It also made it clear that daughters would have equal rights to their father's property, even prior to the enactment of Hindu Succession Act 1956.